Yes, my people. Good morning, my people. Good morning. So, I don't know, a bigs are going to do some porridge in the morning, my people. I'm going to fry some fritters. You understand, my people? So, I have a good old coconut. We're going to boil cornmeal porridge. You understand, the people, with the lasco. Because I don't really like the tin milk, so I'm going to use a vanilla lasco. You see it, my people? And I don't know, say starting for fritters are some ackee with a one mackerel in tomato sauce. Chunky mackerel, you know, see it, my people? Yes. So now watch how I go on, my people. Now stay tuned. Coconut in my people. Yes, man. Good old coconut. Let me see what I go on with it there for him good. Oh, Jesus. Right one. Well dry, my people. You dry till you even have water, my people. See it? So I'm going to stay tuned, my people. Coconut, my people, you see it? Coconut are filling. Yes, my people. Straight out the coconut out now. The real man. There, man. Coconut juice ready, my people. Rich and nice. Yes, Jah. Thanks and praise, you know. Ackee time, you know, people. So, I wash your ackee. Just set on your water. You don't know your ackee have to wash. See it, my people. You rinse off the ackee. So now watch what I'm going on, people. I make the ackee water boil, so I just rest that this. So now watch what I'm going over here, so my people. More coconut juice again. Ooh. Oh Jesus. It's boiling, people, it's boiling. Ready, 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 like ready. So this is how we do it, my people. Remember, cornmeal porridge. Cornmeal porridge, my people. Don't know. You have to mix out this. You see it, my people? The cornmeal have to wet. It have to wet. See that, my people? All water gone. I'm going to tip a little bit of this in there. You have to wet up your cornmeal and mix him. See it, my people? See that? Just a dry up. Yes, some people. So we are going for a pot meanwhile. We take a look what going on with the coconut juice tonight. Lord God. Yes, my people. See that? Coconut juice sitting up, people. Yes, man. Coconut juice, my people. Peeps on the set. Cornmeal. You put in your cornmeal, my people. And you have to stir that. Yes, people, have to keep spin it. Or tour it. No butter style. Stir it around, or tour it, or just spin it. See it, my people? See it? Remember, people, this is porridge, not turned cornmeal, right? This is how I like to feed cornmeal porridge. Coconut juice. Yes, my people. So I cover this a little long and make it take time and in own business. So see that? Ackee water that in the paper. So pour the ackee in there. Just a little eat. Breakfast, you know, I want a big old wag up plate. You understand my people? Although the best eat for the morning, people, is a breakfast, you know. Yes, my people, for you eat a breakfast, you don't feel nothing more for the rest of the day. And the healthiest meal for you people, in the morning, the breakfast. Yes, my people, so I don't know me in my kitchen here, I go on do me thing and I mind my own business. Yes, my people. So I'm going to move down to the flour thing. But me I cover the pot here. Hold on, my people. So keep a little salt, because you know you're ackee fresh. Yeah. And I eat that, my people. So, remember, cornmeal, you have to take your time and bubble up. So now put on your sauce, no? So we'll see your side what I go on. Just the people, so moving along to the flour, you know. So, I don't know. I'll some thing here to my people. So we are going to make fritters. So this is how we do our fritters, Jamaican fritters. You can do it in a whole heap of way, you know, people. Yes, man. You can do it with saltfish, red ring, natural with the season like what I do, you know. You understand? You can do a whole heap of way, my people. You can do it with ackee, meat, anything you don't want, my people, you can do. You just tell me if you don't want me to do it, link me down in the comment section. And tell me what you want Ella Big to cook. And I will cook it. If you don't want goat, you don't tell me. If you don't want pork, you don't tell me. If you don't want, you know, I go say the word, swim around, you don't tell me. You understand me, people, sea creature? Yeah, you don't tell me. If you don't want shark fin, you don't tell me. And if you Chinese them if you don't want, you don't tell me. Ella Bigs will cook it. Understand me, peep? So there I go and put up some garlic and something. Thing and thing and thing. Be with the flour. The flour ready and I wait for me. See me, peep? So just make some breakfast. I cook my breakfast anytime, you know, people. Yeah, man. So I don't want to see what I go on the prepper. You understand? Yeah, man. See it, my peep? So this is the season for the flour. See the flour here? But before I start mixing it up, I'm going to show you what I go on up here. So, look back what I go on with my porridge. Ooh. Yes, my people, the porridge ready. You see it, my people? Thick and ready. See it there? But I don't know what you say about the thickness. I'm going to show you what I go on because remember I know sweeten it, my people. I have one next set of blending for the one that I go sweeten. Let me look what I go on with my ackee. Yes, Jesus, ackee cook already. I don't even have to use no fork. Yeah, so that can lock off. So I go back down on the floor, my people. Go back down on the floor. And forward them, my people. Have some water right there, so. Get me salt, so. See it, my peep? Put some salt in that. Put some black pepper in that. And then me I go put in the seasoning in that. Still have forward me peep. Then me I go run in the water. See my peep? I'm gonna put in the water. And I'm gonna mix it around, or curry it around, any way you want to call it. Eat my pip. So I'm going to stay through my paper. See it now? Put some sugar. Yeah, free and my sugar, my people. Now look. Yeah, me free and my sugar. Yeah. Free and my sugar. Run in the lasco. Eat my pip. Go pour in my water. See it? That's my water. In this buckle, I have some cinnamon powder. Right? So I'm gonna put that in the blender there. Look in the blender, my people, to make sure I see what I want. And here we have the vanilla. 1 cup, 2 cup. That's some love for me, my people. When you use it all, you know, want. You understand me, pip? And I'm gonna put in some salt. See? Yeah. Then I'm gonna blend it. Meantime, my people gonna open some. So I'm change the spoon because I don't know fritters time. Fritters time, my people. Then I'm gonna run and I put in some fritters. I'm going to fry my paper. So the blender lock off my people. So me I go back in the porridge pot my people. And me I go pour in this my paper. See it my paper? And I'm gonna stir it up. Yes, my people, don't worry about no lump. Everything going down. You understand? You see it? Just like that. Many ways to do it, you know, my people. Yeah, use a spoon in a different way. So you see it? Don't send no lump of in a elder big cornmeal porridge. You know, don't do that. Don't ever do that. See? Cornmeal porridge. Yeah. Still thick. See? It's not water. See that my paper? American settings in my paper. Ghettoyouth kitchen, I don't know. Yes, my paper. So I see it? I don't need my paper, I still have a show now I go on, so I catch my spoon so make it take time. So I go down in one part like a quicksand. So see it? Watch this now my people, this is a nutmeg. I use piece already, so see it there? I run some in my paper. Liquid grater. See it? Something nice in my paper. You can go in a jinx to my paper. Yes, my paper. But now I make a shake and then thing there. You can put it in my paper. You understand? See it, my paper? Still not done it in my paper. I'm going to catch me on the next part where I go on. You know about that? More or less for that. See it? Yeah, more or less. Good. Yeah, my paper. Black sugar I'm using on people. I don't use white sugar. You understand? Yeah, and white have the color there. Because of the cinnamon powder. Yeah. Cinnamon powder. So it look like a cinnamon powder look like what you call it, the Milo. You know the Milo mix the people, yeah. And you see no matter you add water, the porridge still thick and nice with people. You understand? I drain out everything out of the blender. I don't want none looking like I mean. What say me do? I know none of say it man, because I don't know all the things I mean, not true. Yeah, I mean with food, I'm mad. You do that kind of food. You cook and give away all of this my people. What me say me do? Give away everything and I'm still okay, right? Because the greatest thing we have life. Let me see when I go on my dumpling them so. My flickers them are still dumpling. Lord God, y'all are run away about the business, you know ready yet. I keep up time they go on fry. I turn up fire all night now so. After that my paper, I stay tuned so I do it for your side. Here's my paper, so you see it? Right, flickers ready. Flickers ready my paper. See my paper, so the mackerel. See the sauce, my people. Yeah, that's the sauce, people. Forward them, my people. You see? The reason why I do that, I have to take these out. Yeah, this thing. I don't eat this thing. You see that, people? You clean your mackerel. So you see? Open. That's why people must keep your fingernails clean, because you have to be all over in your food. You see it, my paper? Yeah. You have to be all over in your food with your hand. So you have to keep your nails them clean. So that's the mackerel. That's the sauce. And this is the seasoning. So I'm going up to the pack. Yep. So garlic, chopped onion, sweet pepper. Hey, see? And I'll soon be back. This time around, I'm not going to cut the pepper. I'm going to rest it in the oil. Alright? So, we'll throw up this in people. Remember people, see the porridge over there, so ready and now wait for me. Porridge ready and now wait for me, people. See the fry fritters them on me, people. Fry fritters. African, you know. Come on, me people, salting time. You don't make your season burn the people, you just make them here, just like that. You go pour in a mackerel. See my people? Pour in the sauce. see peep. And you pour in your ackee. See? Yeah, you see, you add a little black pepper. Yeah. See? So that's it, my people. Next move of food time. Yes, people, so mash up some of this and do. Eat my people, I'm gonna mash up some porridge. Mash up some cornmeal porridge, my people. Well thick and nice, my people. Yes, my people. Yes, my people, so the big's there now. Actually, my breakfast can catch me lunchtime, you know, people, but it don't really matter because I can't eat early, I understand? Yes, my people. I cannot eat early. So I'm gonna rest my porridge right here, so my people. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here. You know, so I'm gonna go over here, so you know. In the ackee pot. Go mash up some of that. You see me peep. Your breakfast gonna catch me lunchtime. But anyway, I don't know me peep. Who would have to eat? So these are the fritters, me people. Yes, me people. So that's it, me people. Don't want more than that, me people. You know, see? I'm gonna go and look for that, me people. Me and forward. Yes, me people. So I don't know, my peeps. I don't know, man. Thing going on. All for manners, all for respect. And thank you for the precious time. Thank you for the precious time, my people. I want to spend for watch the channel and subscribe to the video and like and thumbs up. Thank you for the precious time I want to spend for everything, my people. I understand? Manners and respect, my people. One love goes out. So I don't know. I'm going to eat, my people. I'm going to drink some porridge. And I'm going to eat some ackee and some. I'm going to eat some. I'm not hearing my people, man. Come on, man. Some fritters, man. Yes, man. I can't call any name. Lord God. Don't worry yourself. Well, big detail, you know. Fritters, my people. So, ackee with tin mackerel and fritters and cornmeal porridge. But one more thing before me go, my people. I have forward there. One more thing before me check out. Because I don't know anything. I don't watch what I'm going to do. You know, see this people? Vanilla. Yeah, nice. So this is how I'm going to do to my one. Everybody eat different, everybody. I understand, so I'm just going to do like this, my people. Put a few drops. Yeah. See that? It's going to be very nice. So yes, Jah, give thanks and praise. Thank you, Father, for carrying me through the morning. The morning actually reached midday, but I don't know. One love, manners, and respect my people. So I'm going to check out now, my people. Blessings.